Shout out to Wesley.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Anna Enka. This is a big shout out to my friend Wesley. You gotta listen to this guy. He will change your life.
5 years ago, I was making $8 an hour. I sent him a message very quickly. I said, yo, Wes, teach me, please. Now I'm the CEO of a virtual agency that grosses $75,000 a month. Living the American dream. And it's all because of what I learned from Wes.
Shout out to Wesley $1 Million Virgin for changing something that I never knew was wrong with me. I lost both parents this year. I was pretty much at ground zero. I ran into Wesley, and within days, I started changing my mindset, changing my thought, and now I'm at the point where I'm in a car that I never thought I'll be in. Check this out here, guys. This is my new M4 here. Just purchased it here. I'm making thousands of dollars a month.
Wesley's done a fantastic job in becoming very strong in marketing on digital. Wesley, keep up the great work and keep helping people.
Hi, Wesley Virgin. This is a shout out to you. Wes, you are helloing a ton of people, changing their mindset to live their dreams. Keep changing the world for the better.
Just a year ago when I bought this program, I was 12 grand in debt, personal credit card debt. Now I'm a lot more confident. I'm feeling a lot more strong. And more importantly, I don't work at the car sales lot anymore.
I'm not paid to say anything that I'm about to say. I'm just a regular Joe who used to make $17 an hour, and now I make over $35,000 a month. Just recently, after I physically met Wesley, I now have 2 extra revenue streams of income. And in less than a year, my life has changed. My family's life has changed. And I would love to say thank you so much, Wesley Virgin.
Huge shout going out to Wes for being a marketing genius and a master influencer. So nothing but respect for Ice-T, nothing but respect for you, Wes, and continue to help people get themselves together so they can eliminate the limits.